Well, hey, you guys, welcome back to another episode with the Canning Nana. Um, just want to check in really quickly because I have to get a lot of stuff done right now. So, here are my new seeds that I'm sprouting. This is my fourth jar, okay? So, the first one, I showed you guys how to do it, I showed you the results. Was really kind of disappointed with the results that I got from the first batch and then fixed it with the second batch, and I put enough seeds in there. I just didn't put enough seeds in there the first time. So this is the last of the seeds. These are going to soak overnight. I've just put these in here. So what I've gotten so far is this right here. So I have almost a baggie full of delicious homemade sprouts. Really, really good. I went to the local farm today and I got some amazing avocados, some beautiful tomatoes, a white peach, a jalapeno, and 3 apricots. So I only got a little bit. These are really tiny apricots. They're the first of the season. Just want something to snack on and see how they are. So I'd like to can white peaches and can apricots or make apricot jam. I really like to do that. And I have lots of onions, so I'm probably going to make a pico de gallo with my jalapeno and my tomatoes. These look really good. They were just picked. So I am going to be making sauce, 2 huge pots of sauce, starting in just a few minutes. And I've showed you guys that online, during a filming before. So I really don't have to show you that. I'll show you what I'm doing because it's a little bit different because I couldn't get the stuff that I needed. Signs of the times, guys. Also, celery. So I cut a celery last week, or not last week, the beginning of this week. And what I did is I just cut it halfway like that. I left that part on here with the end, put it in this little container right here. It's a creme brulee glass container. Put it in there with water. And it's taken, I think I either did this Sunday or Monday. I'm not sure what day. But it's finally showing the leaves. It was really, really slow growing, and I was kind of afraid that it wasn't going to grow. So didn't want to say anything yet. I've done this before, and I've planted it in the garden with success. But you have to be really patient with these things. And a lot of people, because these end pieces right here, they rot off. Be prepared for that, okay? You can take those off when you plant it in the garden, and your celery will start sprouting. So this is going to be a whole new celery. There's another little bud right there. You can't really see. And I think there's one coming in over here. So we'll see what happens. Oh, there's one right there too. So we'll see what happens. I didn't plant any celery in the garden this year. I haven't really seen any at the local nursery. So I'm just planting what I can get this year. So we'll see how this goes. But as this grows, as it's in the kitchen, you can use this, the celery leaves right here. I usually use this end piece when it looks a lot better than that in soups, in like a vegetable soup, really good flavor. And I also use the celery root. If you can get a celery root, cut it up in chunks and put it in your vegetable soup. Oh my goodness, you guys, really, really good. And you have the best vegetable stock ever. So good. Okay, so here is my experiment with onions. You guys have asked me if we can do the same thing with the green onions, or regular onions that we do with the green onions. Well, yes, you can, but it takes a while. Let's see, these are sprouting. These have roots on them. They're partially in the water. These are only 3. They're kind of degrading. It smells great. I love the smell of onions. It smells great. I'm probably going to plant these in the garden. Get one out of here because they are doing really well. So if you want to try that, get my hand out of there. If you want to try that in your garden and grow your own onions, yes, you can. It just takes a little bit of patience. It's not as fast as the green onions growing, and the celery is certainly not as fast. So yeah, we're going to do a lot of that. I have to get mask making. I need to make a lot of masks. I finally got all my materials. I've got over 100 yards of elastic. Finally, I got my filters. I've got plenty of fabric. So that's what I'm going to be doing tonight after I get the sauce on, which is right here. So I have my 4 jars, have lots of jars of these. But these are Roma tomatoes that we picked last year. We picked 210 pounds, 220 pounds, something like that. We always pick over 200 pounds a year. So these are some of the jars. They look amazing, and when you open them, they smell amazing. That's the best part. So normally you will see me with really good brands of tomato puree and tomato paste. Not Simply Value and not First Street. I usually try to get the Contadina, the Bella Oro, something with a little bit more flavor, I guess. They're limiting on tomato products. So these are number 10 cans, and I got 2. And usually I get a can of the puree, the paste, and crushed tomatoes to make my 2 pots of sauce, and then can them. And I'm going to be canning pints so that I have a ton of sauce, because I don't want to do this again during the summer. So hopefully this will last for quite a while, although these are already earmarked to be given away for a lot of these to my friends and coworkers and family. So I need to make a lot of these. So these 2 right here, since they're super thick, especially the paste, I'm going to have each can and put them in pots with my Italian seasoning, my my pepper, my oregano, that's over here that I'm kind of running out of. So I've got these 2 pots right here, and these are a 18 quart, I believe. And I already made meatballs. I will probably fill them to right about here. I'm not going to fill them all the way. And then, so I add half and half of these, and lots of seasoning, because these, especially this one, they just don't have the flavor that I'm looking for in tomatoes, and that's where these come in. So I'm not even sure if 2 per pot is going to be enough or not. Probably not. What I will do is I will open these, put them in a bowl, and crush them with my hands, because these are, I canned these whole. These are whole Roma tomatoes. So I could do anything with them. Even a jar, if I wanted to make sauce really quickly, 1 jar of these crushed tomatoes and simmered with sauce, with seasonings and everything, would make the best sauce. Just 1 jar. So I can do that, and I have, I think, 4 more cases of these in my pantry in the garage. So I'm going to start with 4 and see if I need more. I probably will need at least 2 more per pot, but we'll see what comes out. So I will show you guys this in the morning. This is going to cook all night, simmer all night long, and I can get up early and can them. Busy weekend ahead. So this is what I'm doing. The garden, I put most of my canned things away. This is what's left on the counter for now. I've got boxes and boxes of canned food. Let's see, what else was I going to tell you guys? Potatoes, I might try to can some potatoes, but this is the main thing that I wanted to show you guys, was all the produce that we have. And also, I think I'll be picking some loquats and making some loquat jam this weekend. And at the farmer's market that I went to, or the farm stand, is not a farmer's market, it was an actual farm with a stand. We have lots of them out here. And they have strawberries for $18 for a full flat, and they looked amazing. So I am completely out of strawberry jam, and I would really like to make strawberry jam. And I have frozen strawberries in the freezer to make that. I have pureed strawberries in the freezer, sectioned off into exactly what I need, how many cups I need for a batch of jam. But if I can get fresh strawberries right now, that's what I'm going to use. So, and they'll be canned. I am totally out of strawberry jam, and that's what goes quickest in my home, is strawberry. I have blueberry, I have blackberry, apricot, what else? Peach jam, but I don't have any strawberry. And raspberry and strawberry are my favorite, and I'm out of both. So that's what I might be doing this weekend too. We'll see how many masks I get done, and see how much I get done with everything else. Coming down to the wire now here, but just want to show you, these are really little, but they're nice and ripe, and this and the tomato and the sprouts on a piece of bread or on a sandwich with some portobello mushrooms or in a salad. They're simply amazing, and it's all good for you. It's really healthy. So, so that's all for right now. Just wanted to quickly update you guys on what I've been doing. I will keep you updated on the sprouts because they are coming out so good. I had this on avocado toast. I made avocado toast with actually some ceviche, usually just tomatoes and onions, but my husband made ceviche, and so I put that on there with avocado. Oh my gosh, it was so good. So good. Sourdough toast. I don't normally eat bread, but that was really good. So there you go. This is what I've been doing. So I will see you guys soon. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. YouTube is looking at algorithms, and help me grow my channel by subscribing, and hit the like button and the thumbs up, and please ring the bell. In this way you are notified of all of my videos as soon as I upload them, just like this one. And please start sharing my channel if you would, and let me know when we get to 4,500, which we're not far from. We're going to do a super big giveaway. Several items. I'm really excited. That's my next goal, is 4,500 subscribers. But I want to see you guys commenting and things, and tell me what you want to see, because that's what I want to do. That's what I'm here for, is you guys. I want to teach you guys what to do. So if you have questions or comments, I will answer every question. I look at every comment that someone posts. So please post away, ask questions, and I will see you guys soon. Have a great Friday evening, and happy Mother's Day to all the mommies out there. You guys all deserve a huge vacation after all of this, after all the homeschooling and taking care of kiddos at home. This is going to be a really special Mother's Day, I hope, for all of you. All moms deserve the best, always, but this year has been especially trying for moms, and all you mamas out there, you guys are my heroes. I'm also a mom. I'm a nana, and I homeschooled my son for kindergarten and then for all of high school, so I know what you guys are going through. So it's not easy, but it's so worth it. And I know that there's struggles out there, but you'll get through them, and your family will be closer. Really, a lot of good things come out of homeschooling, and I'm sure you'll be finding those. So have a great Mother's Day. And you fathers and sons and daughters out there, call your mamas. Treat them with respect. They deserve it. They deserve a lot. So give them what they deserve. They deserve your respect and your love. Make this a special Mommy's Day, okay? So I will talk to you guys soon. Great. Have a great Friday. Bye-bye.